Hey guys, welcome back to Ninja Guys. Today I'm going to guide you through these simple steps to actually just create an account on the Taptap Send app so you can start sending money abroad with ease, guys. So let's jump right in, guys. First things first, what you're going to do is download the Taptap Send app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Just search for Taptap Send, download it, and once it's installed, just open the app to actually get started. So once you actually open the app, guys, it will prompt you to select your country and your language. So just choose your country and the language you prefer to use, and then just tap on continue. Now, guys, what you're going to have to do is enter your mobile number, right? So you have to enter your mobile phone number. Make sure it's the number that is linked to your primary device, as TapTap Send will actually send a verification code to this number. So after entering your number, tap on next, and then what's going to happen, guys, you are going to receive an SMS with a verification code. So you want to enter this code into the app to actually verify your phone number. And if you didn't code, you can actually request a resend, guys. Okay. Next, what's going to happen, guys, is they will ask you to enter some personal details like your full name and your home address. Make sure, guys, you use your legal name as it appears on your ID, since this is often required for identity verification and money transfer apps. Okay, make sure you use your legal name. Okay, and for added security, guys, you'll be prompted to enter a PIN, biometric authentication if your phone supports it. This helps keep your account safe each time you actually log in. So guys, once your account is set up, you'll have the option to add a payment method like a debit card or a credit card. You can skip this for now if you prefer, but adding it early makes it easier to send money when you're actually ready. And there you have it, guys. Your TapTap Send account is all set up and ready to use, guys. Now you're prepared to start sending money abroad with just a few taps. If this tutorial was helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Ninja Guys for more quick guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.